Everyone, we are back with new week. So last week we did a couple of pairs, right? So first we'll reanalyze what we did the last week, that whether our analysis had followed up or not, and then we'll move on to analysis for this particular week. So last week, as we had discussed for gold, that gold had started taking support here at this particular level, right? And now it did take support. Eventually we had this trend line also drawn, and it has broken down that trend line. Okay, it has broken up and it has taken support. So our analysis for last week did work well. In terms of gold, we had three probabilities and it did work well. Okay, so let's talk about this particular week now. This is gold right now on the 4-hour time frame. Since last week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there was not much of movement. Only Thursday, Friday we had movement. Eventually we saw gold breaking up, and as PMI results, NFP results were out, gold had moved down. Okay, so now we're going to stick with our previous trend line because it still holds. Market has moved above it. So one probability is market taking support from this trend line, moving back up. So one probability is market taking support from this trend line, moving back up. The other probability that comes down here is market coming down to this particular level, then taking support, then moving back up. Or what I feel more is market going down, breaking down the support. If we look at the news calendar for the coming week, so we have Monday, we don't have much. We have services PMI. Then Tuesday is also all right. Thursday, Canadian news we have. Again, okay, on Thursday you have unemployment claims, and Friday you have employment. Okay, so I don't think fundamentally it's going to be much of a hassle here, but what is more important is the investor sentiment. Okay, so the investor sentiment lies in three ways here. So for me, if you talk about me, I'll first watch, because it's very close to this trend line, I'll watch gold near this trend line. What movement does it do? Okay, I'll be wary of making my positions on Monday. So I'll prefer seeing gold here at this particular trend line. Or if you see, this is also a critical support slash resistance level for gold. If I go on 1-hour time frame, I'll refine it up a bit. So let's see where market opens. Then let's watch this particular trend line and see if gold is taking support at this level or not. And if it's taking support, is it moving back up, or is it going to take support here? Because we are at 1948.06. So we need to watch another 50, 60, 70, 80 pips and then watch and make a decision for gold. For example, here this was a fake breakout. Okay, this is on the 1-hour time frame. This was a fake breakout that if you were watching formally, then you would have, it's a strong volume breakout as well, so you might have entered a trade, but it's a fake breakout. There was no, after that the candle is a overpower engulfing candle, all right, and that is why market went back up. So if you see a breakout from this particular level, then you need to be sure that the breakout is proper, it's not a fake breakout. On the daily time frame, our theory stands. Market has taken support, but again market has fallen down on Friday due to Friday news. So we need to watch market if it's taking the support from the trend line from 1939.19, or it's breaking down all supports and falling down on lowest levels. Let's see for gold. Okay, so these are three probabilities for gold we have. Now for Dow Jones as well, we had spotted this. So we had spotted this particular morning star formation and it worked well for us. Market went up. Okay, it took resistance from this trend line earlier. If you see, market took resistance from somewhere near this trend line, but took support back up here and then moved back up. Okay, so now what we are expecting of Dow Jones, move all drawings here. Market has taken support here. That is a clear option to us. Now on the weekly time frame, if you see, this is a strong resistance / support level for Dow Jones. The same goes on the daily time frame, and apart from this, this is another zone or area where market has interest. All right. So we have some probability here. Market can take resistance at this particular level itself. If I go on the 4-hour time frame as well, although I suspect market to move up here, then if it takes resistance, it can fall down up until here, and then we have to see whether it takes the support or not. Other than that, I also suspect market to directly move back up because the candle formations have been good, although this support or resistance level is also strong, 33770. It's a strong resistance level, so that also needs to be kept in mind. Yes, we need to watch out market at least at these levels, and we also have to see that this is a strong play area for Dow Jones. So if market is able to cross above the this area, it is going to be great. Else market will move within this area, take resistance here, and then fall down again. So it is three-way again. Now it entirely depends whether market closes above this particular resistance zone with a power candle confirming a breakout of the resistance or not. Let's see for USDCAD. We studied last week. Okay, so last week we had USDCAD. We studied. I had expected market to take resistance from this level, and it has taken resistance and fallen down. So that theory that we did last time, it worked well for us. But now again, market is in a sideways movement at the moment. On the weekly time frame as well, market has moved sideways. I'll rather draw a rectangle here to mark my areas of interest. Market respected what we had confirmed the very last week. Now, so if you're willing to trade USDCAD, you need to watch this zone. If market is going to take support from this zone and then move back up, or it's going to break down, or it's going to trade within this particular area, that also needs to be seen clearly.